I want us to be thinking with our students and discussing and raising awareness of the use of AI tools and how we can use them, how they are a wonderful thing to get us to a text that is undeniably theirs. I want them to recognize the difference between a text that they have created using AI tools, perhaps, and one that the AI has created and they've just stopped and handed it in.
Hi, I'm Hedvig from Gallery Teachers. Welcome to our channel. If you are an English teacher or considering becoming one, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for our weekly TEFL teaching tips.
This is a huge discussion, and it's not one that I will be able to solve in this short video. But what I can do is give you my opinion on it, my take, and hopefully we can just continue this discussion and it can expand and we'll learn more and more and more, and we'll hopefully someday come to a decision and then decide our how we move forward with this. But here's how I feel about it. There's an issue. There's no denying it. There is an issue that we are now receiving texts from our students and we look at them and those texts are undeniably AI generated. We can see it and we immediately jump to they have cheated. Now, have they used the tools around them to create what is arguably a bad text? If I can see AI in it and I can't see my student in it, then this is just a bad text. If they give us a cover letter and there's none of their personality in it, well, in the real world, they wouldn't move through to the next stage of recruitment. So in our world, this is a bad text. It's not effective. It hasn't fulfilled the brief because the student is not visible within the text. If I get an essay and I'm looking at the essay and I see, thin, vapid arguments, I don't see any reference to the source material that the student has read. I don't see the student's argument or their conclusion. I just see AI generated surface level arguments. This is a bad text. I don't really care about cheating at this point. I care that the student has handed in a bad example of an essay. Had they have been happy to hand in this bad example. So for me, I want to kind of reframe how we think about it. I don't want us to jump to cheating at that end point. I want us to be thinking with our students and discussing and raising awareness of the use of AI tools and how we can use them, how they are a wonderful thing to get us to a text that is undeniably theirs. I want them to recognize the difference between a text that they have created using AI tools, perhaps, and one that the AI has created and they've just stopped and handed it in. We need them to see that. We need them to know the difference, because it can't just be cheating, tell them off, expel them, do it again, whatever it is. That can't be the answer. AI tools are not going away. They are a part of modern life. There's an expectation in many companies now that if you're hired, you have digital literacy, you have AI literacy. So we need to be preparing our learners for that world so that they know how to take the thin AI generated text and make it their own, how to turn it into something that is undeniably theirs. Now, you might not agree with me, and that's absolutely fine, because I think this discussion and this argument is important for us to have as an industry, as a world. So please, please, please do put your comments in the chat windows. Let us know how you're using it, how your institution is using it, how you're speaking to your students with it. If you agree with me, if you vehemently disagree with me, that's absolutely fine. We're really, really, really interested in those comments. So please do leave them. Thank you very much.